Now this looks like a skull to me. That's probably almost a meter long. That's 3 foot. That is a big piece of bone. Okay, good news. Found it. It's still here. It's bigger than I remember and heavier. Here it is. Okay, I managed to get the little wagon in there next to it. Just how am I going to get that on there though? Oh, that's going to be a pain. Gonna have to deadlift it. Such an awkward shape as well. At least it's not round. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay. That was heavy. Man, oh man. There's a lot of bone in here. I really hope it's got his ear bone in here somewhere. But made it. Well, step one complete. Now to get this beast up that hill. What an adventure. So, update since last time. My little handmade cart didn't like those little stairs and it's broken off at my weld there. Look, it was really thin metal, that's my excuse. It's like 2mm thin walls and it's broken off on that side. So it's just being held together by rope and good wishes. But there's been an improvement. So that piece of wood broke. I put it on there because I didn't think the whalebone would fit into my cart without chafing or damaging itself. Turns out it does fit in, so I can use the wood to make the stairs a bit easier, which is great. Okay, I just have to go all the way up there, but I mean I'm a fair height above the sea now. Feeling positive. There's the last step, and then it's just a straight run into the car. Unfortunately, my wagon just broke. I'm probably like 50 meters from the end, 90% of the way there. I have to try and make a plan here. Ooh. Oh man, this is hard work. Last step, one more step, and then it's a straight run to the car. Only my wagon was still working. Oh man. I'm going to switch off the camera, get this done. See you guys at the car scene. Wow. I didn't think I was going to make it. I thought I'd have to hide that whale skull somewhere in the bush and come back for it with more people. Because those steps, man. Oh, and then when the hand truck broke, or the little wagon broke, to carry it, oh, not carry it, more drag it on those two wheels. Oh man. But there's a whale skull in my back seat. A fossilized one. My little wagon gave its life for the cause. We can rebuild him though. We can rebuild him. Come here.
But it's interesting, the placement. And
That's
somewhere else, just close by, I put another one with got a whole head sticking out of it. Or something.